Looking for the best onion choppers for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 onion choppers that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a onion choppers that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended onion choppers. Number 1 on the list is Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. In researching over 50 different onion choppers, our overall top pick is our editor's choice, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. We really love everything about this manual tool, from its simplicity, its design, and the efficiency with which you can chop your onions. It has a 1.2-liter capacity, and what that really means is that you can easily chop half an onion at a time using this contraption. Its 4 stainless steel blades cut through your half onion smoothly and easily. Simply place your onion inside and then press down the lid in one fluid motion. This onion chopper also features a soft rubberized handle that lets you grip it more easily and prevents it from slipping out of your hand. It also has a great anti-skid base so that it won't slip around as you're chopping away at your onions. Owners don't have many bad things to say about this onion chopper, but they do wish it was a bit easier to clean as chunks of onions can get stuck in the blades, but this is only a minor issue because you can put it on the top shelf of your dishwasher freely. Second on the list is LHS Vegetable Chopper. This review focuses on versatile kitchen tools, so we have to give some props to the best vegetable chopper, the LHS Vegetable Chopper. As the name suggests, this model is fantastic at chopping a variety of different vegetables, including onions. It comes with a set of 5 different blades that can be used interchangeably to chop and dice your favorite vegetables. The 5 301 grade stainless steel blades make it a complete breeze in chopping the vegetable of your choice. It features a tray capacity of 1.2 liters, and it works by placing your vegetable into the chopper and then pressing down on the lid. It is dishwasher safe and also has a helpful ergonomic design for those who may have joint issues. The vast majority of people love this chopper, but some common complaints included that this chopper didn't do that great of a job cutting more solid vegetables like carrots or cucumbers. Number 3 on the list is Ninja Express Food Chopper. One of the best-looking onion chopper models out there today is also our choice for the best automatic chopper, and it is the Ninja Express Food Chopper. Ninja has a solid reputation for putting some great kitchenware products on the market, and this one is no exception. It's made of BPA-free materials and comes packed with a powerful rotor to go along with 4 staked blades. When turned on, these blades can slice and dice their way through onions and anything else that is put inside. It has a 16-ounce tray capacity, roughly 3 cups, so it gives you enough space for lots of onions. Cleanup is also a breeze with this Ninja product as it is dishwasher safe. Owners of this onion chopper love its modern look and user-friendly design, but a few people did mention that it was one of the bulkiest items in their kitchenware, and they had issues finding a suitable place to store it away after using it. Number 4 on the list is Vidalia Chop Wizard. Chop your preparation time in half with our choice for the easiest to store option, the Vidalia Chop Wizard. This manual tool is a dream for people looking to make things faster. With this chopper, you can chop and dice onions and other vegetables of your choice easily by simply placing it on the blade and pressing the lid down in one swift motion. Doing so will create nice and uniform chunks of onion in the container beneath the blade. A neat feature here is that after chopping, you can flip the Chop Wizard vertically to see how much onion you've chopped using the measuring marks imprinted on the container. This chopper uses stainless steel blades, and another great feature is that it is small enough to easily tuck it away after using it. Lots of people love the simplicity of this product, but a few of them did mention that it required a bit of force to push down the handle, so be mindful of that when using it. Number 5 on the list is Brieftons Manual Food Chopper. if you're looking to forget about your tears while cutting onions, the Brieftons manual food chopper will do just that and more with our choice for most versatile chopper. Never before has it been so easy to chop onions as well as other vegetables in one, or a few, pulls. With this chopper, you simply toss in your onions, and other vegetables as well if need be, close the lid, and pull the ripcord to begin chopping. Inside the tool, there is a cutting rotor complete with 2 stainless steel blades that cut through anything put into the bowl. It has a solid 2 to 3 cup capacity, allowing you to put a large number of onions in here. Cleanup is just as easy as using it since the parts are dishwasher friendly, or you can just wipe it down with a wet cloth and some soapy water after as well. Although this chopper is a fan favorite, a few people did remark that the pull cord wasn't the best choice when it came to wear and tear, as it could sometimes fail to retract back into the device after pulling it. A few other people did also mention that for tougher vegetables, you would need a bit more strength to pull the cord. Just now is a list of 5 best onion choppers that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.